Jesus
Yeah.
is Lord.
Yep. This is my bedroom, me and my young sister, and this is how it looks today. By the way, today is Thursday. Just in case you don't know, today is Thursday. This is our makeup area, and it looks amazing, just like this. You know, amazing, very clean. Uh, this is the laundry cleaned clothes we need to put in our cabinets. So let's do something about this, right? Something that I learned over the years of trying to be on social media and, you know, making sure that I am consistent in everything. Like sometimes life isn't that easy for you to just keep on making something that, like, for example, when I started my YouTube video like 2 years ago, I wanted to talk about educational stuff, like how to grow on social media, how to be a business owner, how to do all that. And I came to realize that that's like I was making scripts and making sure that I'm always perfect so that people when they're watching me they're always perfect. I wanted to be like other big social media people, and I came to realize that it's not easy. You need to start and be yourself. You need to be yourself to make it. And I was just making sure that I am always perfect, making videos very perfect, and I never realized that I'm just not being me. And I was so fed up with everything, and I just stopped posting on YouTube for like forever, and I deleted my account. And at that time I had like 10 subscribers and posted like 3 videos, and that was like 2 years ago, and I deleted the account. Then I started a new one like this year. I think, yeah, this year, and I started posting again, and I was posting about my business, but now I was not scripting it, I was just posting. And I was burnt out because of the ideas. I was supposed to be perfect. I made sure like I'm always perfect, and I don't want to, like, you know, make any mistakes, and I was making sure that I'm always on point. But I had to stop again because I came to realize it's something that I don't want to do. I don't want to be doing videos about how to work at home and making scripts of any video, and I just want to be me. It's something that I want to be. I want people to know that this is me and I'm not faking anything. So I started again, and now that I'm starting again, I can see like very big difference. I'm always looking forward to posting on Friday, even if I don't get views, even if I don't like get likes. I post. I make sure that I'm always on time, and looking forward to posting on Fridays on my YouTube channel. Even if no one is watching, I'm still posting. I'm still being consistent, and I always get ideas because it's something. It's about me. It's about how I am, how I'm living, how the struggles, the hardships, and everything that I'm passing through. I am always original, if I can say that. I'm always original, and I guess that just made me more like looking forward to posting every day on Friday. So yeah, that's the main reason why I am always like I started this YouTube channel. It's about being me. It's about just being myself and posting. Whoever is watching, whoever is not watching, it's okay if you subscribe, if you don't, but you still have to subscribe. If you have listened till here, trust me, you need to subscribe.
I will find you, and I will kill you.
Anyways, so the moral of the story, today's video while I'm cleaning my room is please, like, be yourself when you're posting. Make sure that you always love what you do, and when you love what you do, it will become much more easier for you to do the right thing, or to do the thing that you're doing without feeling like you're hurting yourself or you're not in the mood to do it. You get, it's like going to a concert and it's your favorite artist who is like singing, so it will be easier for you to sing along other than it's someone who you don't know and he's singing or she's singing and you don't even know any song. So you just be bored. People are singing along and you're just the only one who is just quiet and bored. Yeah. So make sure that whenever you create content or you are doing a business, whatever business you're doing, make sure that it's something that you love. Make sure that you're always looking forward to it, you're always into it, and you know, giving it your all, because even if you don't have subscribers like me or likes, you're still being you, you know, like you like creating content and you're doing what you love. And it doesn't matter how many people are like watching you, it doesn't matter how many people are liking you, even though you edit the video for hours and no one is watching, you still, you know, it will benefit you in the long run. Yeah. So that's today's video. I wanted to show you or tell you guys that there is life behind the camera and you need to be yourself. better guys, better. Easy. We're going to remove this in a bit, but like, whew, now I can even work. Yeah, so we're done with the cleaning. Now it's showering. I'm being stupid as always. What am I doing? Anyways, give me like, bro, it's 1. Anyways, 20 minutes. We're already showered, so guys, I call it a day. That's it about today's video. Make sure that you like it, you subscribe, you share, you know, comment down below. I reply to all my comments, and I post every Friday, so make sure that you like, subscribe, you know, do all that, go crazy. See you on my next one. Bye.